Hey guys, so my hair had about a quarter of an inch to half an inch of hair growth before retire. This is just me showing you the state of my hair, and this is my hair after retire. So come with me as I show you how I got my first retire. Welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer here from Her Crown. So in my previous video, I showed you all how I washed my hair, and obviously if you've watched that video, you'll know that we braid and we band before washing. So this is just me and my loctician removing the band so that the band does not dry on my hair and tug at my roots. So we are starting off with the retie. Guys, in this process we are using crochet needles to retie, and I think it's pretty much easy. It's just to go through the 3 points or 4 point rotation, and we started off doing the 3 points rotation, but then we decided to do the 4 point rotation when we got to the middle part of my hair. And that's because I just felt more secure that she was going in a circular rotation right while doing the retie. And guys, let me tell you something, I was doing this retie with her because she's not like a certified loctician, but she knows how to do a retie, and this was just me trying to ensure that she doesn't make a mistake and cause issues for my locks. So at some point I realized that she was missing, like she would forget that she hasn't done this side or that she has done this side, and I just thought that, okay, you know what, just keep going in a circular rotation, which is a 4 points rotation. Yes. So basically what she would do is to pass the crochet needle at the different angles, because the hair is cut in a box shape. So she will pass from the north, the west, the east and the south, and she'll keep passing the hair until my hair was totally retied. And another thing that she was doing in this video was to try and repair my locks, because I started with a twist starter locks, some of my hair was like unraveling, so she ensured that she repaired all that to prevent the hair from unraveling in future. So you would notice that in the clip. So I'm just going to let you all sit, relax and watch as she retires my hair. Please ensure that you subscribe to this channel to follow my MICROLOCS journey. Please turn on your bell notification so that every time I post a new video, you'll be the first to know, and I'll see you soon. This is an up-close version of the retie. So as you can see, she is inserting the crochet needle from different angles to ensure that my hair is retightened, and you can even look back to see the ones that she has retightened and see how she's maintaining my grids, ensuring that my hair doesn't look like it was free-formed. Yes, but one thing I noticed is that the front, the first line, and the back, the last line, were so difficult to retie in a way because they were unraveled, right, to an extent. So she kept on passing my hair through. It took a while for the front and back to be retied because they were unraveled, and then when she was done, she tried to repair it, as you can see in this clip, and yeah, she was done with that. Now we are all done, and I'm so excited that the results were crisp and looking nice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.